Hi everyone, this is Idris from debabsinfo.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install Facebook pixels on your websites. Before we dive into the main video, I would like to invite you to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel in order not to miss any further update from this channel. I always come out with videos on dropshipping, blogging, WordPress tutorials, making money online, and general tech tips and tricks. So in order not to miss any of these updates, you have to make sure you subscribe to this channel. Alright, let's now look at what a Facebook pixel is. What is a Facebook pixels? Facebook pixels is a piece of JavaScript code from Facebook ads team that you place on your website to track visitors to your sites. The pixel help measure and optimize your Facebook ads for a wider audience. The pixels also allows you to run highly targeted campaigns, so it's important to install these pixels before running ads. For better understanding of how your ads perform on Facebook, you need to install the pixels on your site. 4 main functions of pixels. Facebook pixels help to track your conversions. That is, it helps improve the quality of your ads and also target the right audience. The other function of Facebook pixel is that it helps in building custom audience. You can use Facebook pixels to show the targeted ads to people who have already visited your site and retarget them again. The third function of the Facebook pixel is that you can use it to optimize your ads for conversion. With the Facebook pixels, you can monitor how people interact with your websites after seeing your Facebook ad and identify whether your visitors are on mobile or on desktop. The final function of Facebook pixel is that you can use it to retarget previous website visitors. That is, if someone visits your website and add something to their cart or take action on your website, but the person couldn't continue or finish with what he started on your website, you can use the Facebook pixels to retarget them, to show them the same action they started and encourage them to finish it. So these are the 4 functions of Facebook pixels. Now let us look at how to install Facebook pixels on your websites. So first of all, what you need to do is to log into your Facebook account. After you are logged in, then you go to Facebook Ad Manager. When you click on it, you will be brought to this page. This is the Facebook Ad Manager page. So once you are here, you click on the 3 bars on top here. Then you come and locate pixels. You click on pixels, then you'll be brought to this page. Once you are on this page, what you need to do is to create a new pixels. Because this is your first time of coming to this page, you have to create a pixels. Let me clarify this thing. If you are using your personal account to run the Facebook ad, you can create only 1 pixels for your website. But if you are using a business account to run your Facebook ad, you can create up to 10 pixels for your website. So in this case, I'm using my personal account to create the pixels. So in your case, you can also use your personal account. Therefore, better understanding and better service, you can choose to convert it to business account. So once you are on the pixels page, you click on create a pixel. So when you click on create a pixel, you'll be brought to this place. So here you have to give your pixel a name. So I'm going to leave it like this. That's the Babs House pixel. Then you come and click on create. So when you click on create, alright, when you click on create, you will be brought to this page. Here there are 3 options you can use. You can use it, you can integrate it using a tag manager, or you can manually install it on your the code on yourself, or email the instruction to your developer. That is, if you are not the one who develop your website. You can email the instruction to your developer so that he will follow the instruction and install it on your site. But here we are going to manually install it, so we take the second option. You click on it. Okay, so when you click on it, you will be directed to this place. Once you are here, scroll down and locate the second option, that is copy the entire pixel code and paste it in the website header. So you come here and stand and click on it, then you copy to the clipboard. So when you copy to the clipboard, then what you need to do is to log into your website dashboard. In this case, I'm using WordPress, so I'm going to log into my dashboard and then show you how you can finish with the installation of the code. So I'm going to pause the video and finish and log into my dashboard. Okay, once you are logged into your WordPress dashboard, or if you are using different content management system, you can follow this same procedure. It's not anything difficult, but in this case I'm using WordPress. So once you are also using WordPress and log into your dashboard, this is what you will see. The first thing you need to do is to come to plugins. When you go to plugins, then you come and click on add new plugin. When you click on add new plugin, then you come to the set and type insert header. Now you'll be displayed with these options. You come and take the second option, that is insert headers and footers. Then you install it and activate it. So once you install and activate it, then you come to settings. Under settings, you will see the plugin settings here, insert headers and footers. You click on it. Okay, when you click on it, then you come to this place, scripts in header. You then paste the code here, that is the one you copied from your Facebook ad manager. Then you come here and paste it. Once you paste it, you then click on save. Okay, once it's saved, then you go back to your Facebook ad manager account and then click on continue. Alright, now you scroll down and then click on done. Okay, so for now, in order to know whether the pixels is really installed on your website or not, there is a Chrome extension you need to install. So you go to Chrome Web Store. So once you are in the Chrome store, you then type Facebook helper. Facebook helper, then you take the first one. Alright, so you take the first one, that is Facebook pixel helper. You install it. In this case, I've already installed it on my Chrome browser. So you install it. When you install, then you will get the symbol here, this place. This is the Facebook helper extension. So this one will help you to know whether the pixel is installed on your website or not. And also when you visit a website, and if that website has Facebook pixels installed on it, you will see the notification there. So let me open my website and we'll see. This is the website I installed the pixels on. Let me open and we'll see whether it's installed or not. If it's installed, we should get the notification there. Alright, as you can see, the helper has shown that we have 2 Facebook pixels installed on these websites. So that is how you install Facebook pixels on your websites. Thank you for watching, and please, if you find this video helpful, I will invite you and encourage you to subscribe to this channel for more videos to come. And please do like and comment on this video. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.